Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher, and today's drawing video is about how to draw a candy cane. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It always helps me make more of these. Now here's an easy way to draw a big, beautiful candy cane. Now instead of drawing a candy cane just straight up and down in the middle of the page, how about drawing it at a slight angle like this? It fills the paper a little bit better, which is always a good thing, and it's easy to do. Let's get started. The materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, eraser, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free candy cane tutorial from my website. Before you begin your drawing, it really helps to first make guides on your paper. All you have to do is fold and crease the paper in half in both directions and then open it back up again. You'll have lines that match my tutorial, which really do help. Plus, they do disappear by the time you're done coloring. Now, just so you can kind of visualize things, I'm going to first draw my candy cane with my finger. It might help you see how big I plan to make it. Step number 1, start by drawing the outside edge of the cane. Make it fill the paper and notice that it angles just a little bit. Next, I'm going to start at the top, draw the ends, and then draw the other side of the cane. Try to make the width the same going all the way down. Step number 2, to start the bow, draw a circle inside the candy cane. Step number 3, draw a large bow shape to the right of that circle, and then draw a matching bow shape on the left side. Step number 4, now draw a bow end on the right side, and add another bow end shape on the left side. Step number 5, now is a good time to erase those inside lines that wouldn't show, so you don't accidentally trace them with your marker. Step number 6, draw 2 shapes like this near the top so your bow looks like it's a loop. Draw one on the right side and then one on the left side. Step number 7, it's time to draw the candy cane stripes. If you start at the top, draw about 5 lines and make them all curved a bit so your candy cane looks more like a tube instead of a flat shape. Step number 8, continue the stripes below the bow with about 4 curved lines. Step number 9, now it's time to trace all your pencil lines very carefully with a black marker. Work slowly so that you can stay right on those pencil lines as best you can. Now you can take just a minute to erase any extra pencil lines that are still showing. Okay, then now it's time to color. I'm going to start with the fun part, the red stripes of the candy cane. It really doesn't matter where you start coloring, just be sure to leave a white stripe in between the red ones, of course. Next comes the bow. I'm using a green to continue with my Christmas colors. I'm sure though that any bright color would look just great. And finally, for the background color, I'm going to use a light yellow green so that my dark green bow really stands out. You do need to press extra hard for this color though to make sure it shows up. It's pretty light. And finally, if you'd like to try adding a shadow to your candy cane, here's how to do it with a light gray crayon. It's pretty subtle, but if you press hard, it can make your candy cane look much more dimensional. And that is one finished candy cane drawing. I like that this tutorial offers students some places to add shadows, like the side of the cane and the inside of the bow, but still keeps things simple overall. As always, I want to thank you for following along with me today, and I hope you've enjoyed this candy cane tutorial video. I do have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw Santa Claus and how to draw an elf. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.